This is a 1963 Kriesler radio tune. So here's our remote control. You've got pots at the side for picture and for the volume. You've got a channel changer. You can change between receiver, remote or mute. In the mute position, a little earpiece at the side still produces sound apparently. So you see there, channel 3. So this has got an actual powered tuning system. It's also got electrostatic speaker system. You've got the option of 2 or 4 speakers. Now I've taken the back off so you can see inside. So we've got a 10-inch woofer there, a couple of 6-inch mid-range drivers. I'm not going to get too close, this is live. Got our gun here, glowing faintly. And some valves also glowing quite comfortably there. So this is where the remote plugs in. That's our aerial connection. And if I can hold this steady, this is the powered so one press of the button drives the tuner. Absolutely fantastic. Really is in exceptional condition for something that's 57 years old. No picture on the tube, but small price to pay. So these are the controls. We've got an on, which is, you can see it's currently powered on, and the backlight is still working there, looking for channel 10, going to channel 9. I do love that, it skips past channel 2, sorry, channel 2. Now this is the clock that you can set. You pull that out, and like that, and then you can set the clock, and it'll automatically, you can rotate that, and it will turn on when your favorite program comes on, assuming the evening news bulletin. So we've got controls for brightness, contrast, volume, and we've got vertical hold and tone. And then this is the fine tune, and I'll just turn that off and away we go. So that's it, power tune. And that's with the back on. Fantastic. Now the other really remarkable thing about this is it comes with not 1 but 2 owner's guides, guarantee forms. This is the field service information that it comes with, all of the schematics, as well as all of the hookup details and other pertinent information. Just amazing, absolutely incredible. And the other thing is, here you get detailed instruction manuals for how to use the automatic time switch, how to use it without the time switch, how to use it with the clock and the time switch, details for the remote control. Really, really an exceptional find. So again, quite extraordinary. Life in 1963.